Hi everyone, this is Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. It is a quiet week coming up next week, so let's get started, keeping in mind that all times we discuss are Eastern Time. 2:30 a.m. in the morning Monday, there's no trade room, but we'll be watching the Swiss CPI report to see if it moves the euro. Our first trade room on Monday is at 8:30 in the morning for ISM Services PMI. ISM Services is a family money trade. Tuesday, 12:15 in the morning, we'll come into the trade room for the Australia rate statement. Then we'll be back at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report. And we're just going to be watching at 9:30 p.m. on Tuesday the Australia GDP report. Even though it's a quarterly report, it really hasn't been moving the Australian market very much. We trade the Australian dollar on that report. At the moment, it's not worth having a trade room. We'll keep an eye on it. Wednesday at 8:30, we're watching U.S. trade balance on bonds. We'll probably also watch it on gold. To see if there's any movement. Usually when we say something is a watch, it means we're considering a report for future trade, or it might be a report we have been trading that isn't performing well, but it's a report that's getting a little bit of extra attention. Wednesday, our first trade room is at 9:30 in the morning for the Bank of Canada rate statement, and we'll stay in the room for the crude oil inventory report. Another Australian trade that's a watch, trade balance. That's an event we used to trade years ago, and it used to move the Australian dollar quite well. So I thought we'd take another look at it, see how it's moving. No trade room, but that's a 9:30 p.m. event on Wednesday. We're going to watch it with the Australian dollar. Thursday at 8 a.m. we'll be in the room for unemployment claims. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for natural gas storage. And then a new event that I've been watching for years, and it is starting to move the copper market. Chinese CPI, PPI, the yearly version of those results, the news events, and we'll probably look at it with gold as well. But it has started to move copper, and we'll have a trade room for that. It's a short trade room, 9:15 p.m. Thursday evening. Friday morning at 8 a.m., we've got Canada's jobs report, and we have the WASD report at 11:30, which is also our YouTube stream of the week. It's a little bit quiet. You know, we're into summer now, and summer things do slow down a little bit. But of course, if there's an event we think we should be trading or watching, we will put it on the schedule. There's a few European events, European retail sales that might be worth watching. So, you know, you can always check the calendars for extra information and extra events that you might want to trade. This is Forex Factory, forexfactory.com. You click on calendar, put the date on the date of the week you're looking to trade, and if you think that there are events that you think we should be trading that we're not trading, just send us an email, help@10minutetrades.com, and give us a heads up, and of course we will check that out. A lot of times we have added events to trade based on member recommendations. There are a ton of events out there. No one can keep track of every single one, and we do welcome the thoughts of our members. So definitely help@10minutetrades.com. Thanks everyone for watching. This is our weekly schedule and our trade room schedule, and I'd love to see you in the trade room next week. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades. Hope you're having a great weekend.